We hit rain the whole way here, which is fine. You know, we knew that when it started raining that it was going to slow us down. However, on our last fuel stop, we noticed a little something. The wheel and hub had come off the trailer. Somewhere between the second and last fill up and the last fill up, we lost the wheel, and I don't know. We turned around to go look for it, and it was pitch black. It was the middle of the night, and we couldn't find nothing. So instead of what we wanted to do this morning, go to Coffee and Cars and hang out and meet the people, yeah, we're looking for a place to help us out because we're 1,000 miles from home. We got a broken trailer, and if we can't get it fixed, I don't know how we're gonna get the car home with a trailer limping like that. We'll have to figure something out. So that's where we're at right now. We went ahead and took the streetcar out of the trailer because when it breaks, you drive the streetcar. But this is what we're looking at right now. This is what we're dealing with. Can you believe this? Can you believe that? Literally deep into Florida, and this is what happens to us. The damn nut and safety pin is still on the axle, and they just took the wheel off. I don't get it. So we're at this Champion trailer place waiting for them to open. It looks like they're open, they're just not officially open, but just waiting for them to open the gates and go in there. Man, I hope they can help us out and get us back on the road. So the trailer's not even clean, we're gonna go in all dirty and stuff, and I just hope that the rest of the day goes good, because so far it's been a really bad start to what was supposed to be a fun trip. So
it's gonna get better.
It's gonna get better?
It's gonna get better.
God, I hope. The way down there, bunch of big YouTubers. We're gonna go meet them in a second, but we made it. I know I didn't film a whole lot, but let me catch you up to speed. Broke the motor on the weekend, took it apart on Monday, started putting it back together Tuesday, finished it on Wednesday, started up Wednesday night, did some tests on Thursday, left Friday. That was basically my week. We made it, we did it, we put it back together. It's got good oil pressure. Lifter failure, that's what happened. We threw up a lifter. Luckily, it didn't break a thing. Like, everything held together other than the lifter. So, and me and my buddy Steven, we took out, we started driving, and now we're here, and we got people coming up. So hopefully everything goes good for us today, but I'm just worried because we don't know what the car's gonna act like, you know. It's just on a street tune right now. I'm sure we're gonna have to dial it in some more, but hopefully we can put some good numbers up tonight, so we'll have to see.
What's up, buddy?
Oh man, look who I ran into.
How are you?
Shit, I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm good.
It's funny that we didn't get a chance to race the last CLEETUS in cars in Houston and now we just both happen to be at the another Cleetus and Cars.
That is really weird.
That's really weird.
What are the odds of that? I think someone came down for a special trip.
Maybe.
I'm thinking. I don't know.
Oh man, it's always a fun time with Sketchy Bird in the house. But yeah,
You too, buddy.
he's here. We're here. We're gonna have fun today. That's it. Let's go get it. Making a hit. Yeah. Right. I'll be watching.
Oh yes. I hope he goes down today with you guys. It'll be awesome.
I hope I go down with him today. All right, homie, what do you think? Huh?
It's gonna. 8.6 first hit.
Oh man, you're way too. We're definitely not hitting an 8.6 on the first run, but we're gonna get close. Don't let me run over Sketchy's thing. I may just go straight back. Yeah, I'll probably just back all the way up.
Wait, just go, man. What the hell?
This is my first person view. Like through here, through there.
That is funny.
Alright, so we did that run. it was just a test run. We went 9.6. Here's the slip actually. 9.6 at 142. Now I know what you're thinking, that's slow, but we did cut a 135.5 60 foot. But understand, we just put this motor back together. We're not sure how it's working. This is what we found. TPS only hit about 70% the whole run. It never went 100% full throttle. The boost controllers never turned on and let the CO2 control the wastegate because it never saw over 70% TPS. I think I have it around 80 for it to activate. So basically, we were on 7 pounds the whole run, wastegate pressure only. Never hit high boost. So this 9.6 run at 142 is on 7 pounds only, nothing else. So that's looking good. That's not bad. The RPM trace look good, so I think we're going. We obviously fixed the issue. We changed the throttle body cable, which I happen to have. So yeah, we're gonna try it again, turn it up, go from there. so we're gonna make a second hit. It's just a 6, but no, we're not racing. It's just a 6. It's just me by myself. It'd be cool if he wanted to, but I don't. He's not gonna want to. So let's see how the test goes. Yeah, that's what I heard. Should definitely roll out. So we'll just have to see what it does. My people, I'm so sorry. I did not hit record on this GoPro. What? Hey, what'd it look like?
I have it on my GoPro, man, if you want it.
Yeah, definitely.
Crazy, man. For real.
Thanks. Let's go see. Let's go see what people say. Obviously, it felt quick, but I don't think it was too quick. Definitely an 8. Let's see an 8. 8 right in the bumper. Thank you. 8.4 at 167 on the bumper. 1.349, 60 foot. Yeah! Not bad at all. Not bad at all. 8.4 on the bumper on 2 fucking wheels. Damn, this car's rolling now. We got it back. We got it back. We got to turn it up now. Oh, fuck, I'm excited. Where we're gonna leave it. Everybody knows, if you've been watching, you know that this car is this car kind of gets inconsistent when it comes to ignition breakup. It'll run some solid passes and then it'll stop, and then that's just what it is. So we're gonna make some changes. This is the last event for us. We're gonna take it home, make some changes this off season, and come back strong at the beginning of the year, and that's just what it is. So, but I still had fun. I got to meet Nick, Guitar Mageddon. We got to meet Just 6 again. Sketchyvert was here, and a bunch of other guys, and we had a lot of fun. Event's not over though. They're about to do demolition drag races. We're gonna go watch and hang out with all the other guys and go from there. But that's it for now. That's where we stand. We're done for the day as far as racing. But we met a lot of nice people, and it's been fun. Florida was fun. It was worth coming down here, even though the trailer deal and everything else. But it is what it is. So let's go from there. Let's watch some demolition drag racing.